Welcome back, first graders, to another lesson today. We will start off the day with another review, addition and subtraction. 3 plus 6 plus 9, so we draw 3 circles, plus 6 circles, plus 9 circles. So now we will count. So we get a total of 18. Number 2, 5 plus 1 plus 3. So we draw 5 circles, plus 1 circle, plus 1, 2, 3 circle. We count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we did this. Let's try doing this with subtraction. 28 minus 14. So we will first use the two numbers first. So 8 minus 4 is 4. 2 minus 1 is 1 to get 14. You move 14 here and subtract 2. 4 minus 2 is 2, and 1 goes straight down to get 12. Value. So before we start, I'll write it out. Hundreds, tens, ones. So 5 tens and 2 ones. 5 will go to the tens, 2 will go to the ones. So we get a total of 52. And we get 6 tens. Let me erase this. 6 tens, 8 ones. That will get you a total of 68. And next we go to number 6. 0 tens, so 0 and 0. That will equal 0. If it had 0 for every hundreds, tens, or ones, it will always equal 0. So let's do the ones with a hundred. So let's draw it again. Hundreds, tens, ones. So for the hundreds, we put 3. For the tens, we put 1. For the ones, we put 7 to get 317. So now we will also write the correct value of the highlighted number. So we write hundreds, tens, ones. So we get 1 hundreds, tens, ones. There's 0 for 100, so 0. And there's 5 for the tens. And there's 8 for the ones. And what did they highlight? They highlighted 8. So the answer is 8. For number 2, for the hundreds, there is 0. For the tens, there is 1. And for the ones, there is 9. But they only highlighted 1. So we're focusing on this one. But because this is a tens value, we have to add a 0. So 10. Number 3, we get 7 as the tens value, 0 as the ones value. And you highlight 0, then the answer is 0. So if the ones value is highlighted, you just put that number. If the tens value is highlighted, you add a 0 at the end. If the hundreds value is highlighted, you add 2 zeros in the end. So for example, number 8 has 1 highlighted in the hundreds value. So put 1 and 2 zeros, 100. So number 11, we have 300, and 3 is the hundreds value, and we see that it's highlighted. So we do 3 and add 2 zeros to get 300. So we'll also do comparing numbers. So pretend this is an alligator eating its target. Equal means alligator doesn't care which one he wants to eat. So let's say 5 is the food. Would you rather have 5 chips or 2 chips? The alligator will want the 5. So you make it bite the 5. Let's say it's 5 chips and 5 chips. Alligator doesn't care. So you just put equal. So you have 2 chips and 5 chips. Alligator will want the 5 more, so it will eat. It will eat this one. So knowing that, let's do number 3. 7 versus 3. 7 is the bigger number, so the alligator will eat the 7. And we will also do number 14, where this is 2-step. So you use the subtraction we learned to do 4 minus 4. A number minus itself is always 0, so move it down to 0. And here we use the addition we learned. 4 plus 4. If you count them all up, will equal 8. You put the circle here, and you know 8 is greater. So you put the alligator to the 8. That's all for comparing. It's pretty easy. Now, last but not least, for today, we will do word problem. We will only do number 1. How many boxes of cookies did Cindy sell? Boxes of cookies sold. Cindy here. And boxes of cookies sold is 4. So 4. And you must add boxes. Well, that is for all first graders. Thank you. Bye.